Hello and welcome to this Concord Help Center video. This video focuses on how to use the next and previous feature when reviewing search results and citations in your list. Let's start with reviewing search results. We'll first go to the Study Tools panel on the left-hand side of your screen and then click inside the search bar and type in a word or phrase. For our example in this video, I'll type in the word guide. And you can either hit return or enter on your keyboard or click on that magnifying glass search icon. So I'll click, and you'll see I've got 103 results. And typically what I would do if I were looking up this word is I would open up the Bible results and go through them one by one. So I open up this citation from Psalms here, and you can see I've got 102 other results to go through. And we wanted to create an easy way for you to filter through these results. So once you've clicked on the citation you'd like to start with, when you look in the Read panel, at the very bottom of the screen is the search word or phrase you used, and on the right-hand side is a button that says Next. And so what will happen is if I click Next, it'll go from Psalms chapter 25, verse 9 here. It'll automatically open up the very next citation in my results. So that's Psalms 31, verse 3. And if I click it again, it'll take me to Psalms 32, verse 8. So I'll just show you how that works. So I'll click Next, and there's our next citation, next again, and then next again. And we wanted this to be able to go both ways. So you can go next, but also on the left-hand side of this bar is a previous button. And so if you click previous, it'll take you from Psalms chapter 48, verse 14 to Psalms chapter 32, verse 8. So if I click previous, it'll take me backwards one. If I click it again, same exact result. And so you can see how this might be really useful if you're looking up a specific word or phrase and you're doing a really deep study with a lot of results. Now, you can also do something similar with citations in your lists. So let's say I go over to my list here. I got one open called Love. And if I click on one of these citations and open it to view it in context by clicking on it, it'll open up in the center here. And when I did that, you might have noticed that at the very bottom is now my list title, where the word or phrase was with search. Now it's showing a green bar with my title Love. And on the right-hand side of this bar, it says Next. And if I click on that, it'll actually take me from Matthew to the very next citation in my list. So if I click Next, it'll take me to my citation in Exodus. And if I click Next again, it'll take me to my third citation, Next again, and my fourth. And again, if I want to go back, I can always use the previous button, and it will take me right back there. And I find that the next and previous feature is really great when it comes to reading things like the Bible lesson in context, if you import that in, or if you're reading readings or your list and you want to methodically read through and kind of see the source text, see what's above and below the citations. The next and previous feature is really helpful with that. One thing to note is that the next and previous feature will only appear when you are opening up a citation in a list or you open up a citation in search. It won't just be there, so you have to open up a citation to kind of activate it. Additionally, we have keyboard shortcuts for clicking next and previous. So I'll just move my mouse so I'm on neither. And if I use the right arrow key, it'll automatically go to the next citation. So I'll click right again, and then I'll click the right arrow key one more time. Same thing works with search. And if I do the left arrow key, it'll trigger the previous button. So left, left. And you can see I'm working my way back up my list. We hope you are enjoying learning about the next and previous feature. If you have any questions about this feature or others, please feel free to contact us at concord@csps.com, and we'd be happy to follow up with you. Thank you so much for using Concord, and happy studying!